Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add subscribers in ConvertKit. Now the first thing I want you to do is just log in and open up your dashboard, come to the top menu, click on Grow. When you get this drop down, click on Subscribers. And then once this loads up, I want you to just go ahead and scroll down. And then here on the right hand panel, you should see this option that says Add Subscribers. Just keep in mind the first name right here. I'll show you there'll be a new subscriber added. So click here on Add Subscribers, and then you can either add one subscriber, import CSV, to bulk import multiple subscribers. You can just go ahead and drag and drop right here, or you can use other providers, okay? I'll show you how to do this with one subscriber, and then you just come here, enter the name. I'll enter this one. Let me go ahead and enter their email as well. There we go. Come here and click on Next. Now we have some optional settings. So this is how the subscriber is being identified with this tag once it is toggled on. If you want to add to the tags, you can go ahead and toggle this on and select tags to add it to. Okay, so just use that one. If you want to add to forms or sequences, you can toggle those on as well. But I'll just go ahead and click here on finish. And then you can see subscriber added successfully. It is refreshing. And there we go. We have now been added. And it's really that easy to add subscriber in ConvertKit.